Hello everyone. Students, this is the final lecture class based on the chapter Weathering the Storm in Agasma. I have told you to read the chapter line by line to get the special information given in the story. And I think that you have read. And if you have read, then today's class will give you the extra information, the hidden information given in the chapter. Okay, so this is the class completely based on the literary skills of the chapter having. The name of the chapter is Weathering the Storm in Arasma. Arasma is a place, a city, a coastal area in Orissa, and that area was completely destroyed because of the super cyclone in 1999 October. We have seen that the area was completely destroyed. So many people, animal beings were killed because of the cyclone, and almost all the houses were destroyed, the washed because of the flood and the heavy rain. And for that we have seen that the life is very difficult in that area, Aresma. But suddenly we have seen a boy, a teenager boy, Prashant, who came forward and presented the life skills in front of the people. He made a team. He made a team to utilize the power of the people to fight with the destruction. We all are having a very difficult time. This is the time of COVID-19, and because of COVID-19, because of corona disease, the life is almost completely stopped. And what the things have been started, just walking, not running. जो भी चीजें अभी स्टार्ट हुई हैं वो भी सिर्फ वॉक कर रही हैं, रन नहीं कर पा रही हैं, because of the great devastation of COVID-19. So what should we do? We must focus on the chapter, because this chapter has calculated, has webbed the fight back spirit in some awkward and difficult condition. If we focus on the chapter, then we will find so many skills to fight back in some serious, difficult, devastating conditions. And using the skills, we can present ourselves as a very strong person. Students, today I will give you first the major themes given in the chapter, and then I will explain the character, the hero, Prashant. Okay? So starting with the major themes, there are the two major themes given in the chapter. First, the natural disaster and devastation. What is a disaster? Disaster means a condition, a serious condition in which life is at the risk. Okay? And what is the natural disaster? Natural disaster means the disaster which is just came or because of God, the superpower, and that kind of disaster, that kind of devastation is called natural disaster. And in this chapter we have seen a natural disaster, cyclone. This cyclone hit in Orissa in October 1999 and destroyed almost all the coastal cities like Aresma. The life was so difficult in that Aresma, and because of the devastation of the cyclone, the people were not able to find the basic things like food, clean water, clean sanitation. They were having, those people who were left, who were saved themselves after the devastation, after the cyclone, they were not having the basic things of the life. Even they were covered, the area was covered with the flooded water, but they don't have the drinking water. Okay, so we have seen in the chapter the sequences, the consequences of the disaster, cyclone, and then suddenly the story take a turn and a hero, Prashant, presented some survival skills and fight back spirit. What is a fight back spirit? Suppose you are facing some problem and you are not just going to give up. Okay? So that is called the fight back spirit. Prashant, first he was very desperate, he was very sad because he was thinking that his family couldn't have survived. But when he reached to the Red Cross shelter and he found his grandmother, then he thought that he should fight back. And he presented some life skills like making a team, engaging people, arrangement of the food, and he presented himself as a leader. Okay, leader of the that shelter. In the shelter, almost more than 2,000 people were there. But after from the last 4 days, they were having nothing to eat. They were just surviving on the coconut fruit and the coconut water. But when Prashant reached, he was successful to arrange the food in the shelter for the first time. Then Prashant made a team, and making the team, he arranged the persons in the different works. Like he engaged the men to arrange the food for the people, and he engaged the women to look after the children, and he also engaged the woman to the program for food for work. And by these things, Prashant was able to engage everyone, and he was able to reduce the stress in the mind of the people. Okay, so this is the survival skills, is the main theme of this story. So there are the two themes. First theme is the natural disaster and the devastation, and second special theme is surviving skills and the fight back spirit, as given in the chapter. Next thing we have to discuss is the character Prashant. Prashant is my favorite character in your Moments book. You know why? Because Prashant has presented that how we have to live. We don't have to give up. हमें किसी भी हाल में हार नहीं मानना है. And through the character of Prashant, we have seen that we are not the people to give up. Similarly, we are also fighting with the COVID-19. जहां जो जैसे भी हो, लोग फाइट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And the most important thing, they are getting the victory. उन्हें जीत भी मिल रही है. Okay? Similarly, Prashant, who is the protagonist of the story, he presented some master skills, the life skills, the fight back spirit through his character. He was just a teenager boy. Teenager means he was in his teenage. In 18 or 19 years old he was. But he was too mature. He was able to make the decisions. And most important thing, he has a magical spirit to convince all the people. Because he, in the chapter, if you have read, you have seen that what he said, the people were following. People were following, why? Because he was thinking, people were thinking that this Prashant has some magical power, and this Prashant can bring out them out of this devastation, this destruction. Okay? So Prashant was a teenager, but he was too mature. He was enough mature to make people understand that how they have to work. Okay? He was full of life. The next special thing is in his character. He was full of life. He was smart to cope the devastation. Cope means adjust karna. Okay? He was able to adjust. He was able to fight with the devastation. Okay? So he was full of life. He was smart to cope the devastation. And the most important thing, he can also remove the psychological stress in the mind of the people, because he had arranged some sports events, he had arranged some the competitions, he arranged the people's time pass things. Even when the shelter was suffering with the lack of the food, he used the children with the utensils by lying on the sand and keeping the utensils on the body of the children. And after that, when the relief of the helicopters observed these conditions, they started to take the regular visit in that area also. So this thing is must be practiced in our life. So he was full of life and smart enough to cope the devastation. He had a great wisdom. We have seen in the chapter that he has presented his mastery smartness to manage the condition of the shelter. Okay, able to make plans to survive. He was able to make the plans to survive, and because of that, we have seen that Prashant is the hero of the story. Okay, so this is the final explanation of the chapter, and I think if you read the chapter and if you will go by my videos, then you won't have any problem to write any answer of the questions. So this is enough for the today's class. Finally, we have completed the chapter Weathering the Storm in Rasma, and this is very good thing that we are just having this chapter at a very proper time, because we are also having a condition of Rasma in our life. Our Durga Puja was just spoiled. Our festivals were just going without any celebration. We are limited in a house. So what is this? This is a kind of disaster. This is a kind of Arasma's conditions. Okay? So very good time we are just having this chapter. So this is enough for the today's class. I think you won't have any problem, and we will meet in the next class with the very fresh chapter. This is enough for the today's class. Enjoy learning. Have a nice day.